Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how to use Instagram name tag and also how to customize Instagram name tag. So what you want to do is that you want to go onto your Instagram profile and then you want to click on these three menu buttons on the top right, and automatically you'll see the name tag option. You want to click there. So as you can see, I have already used an emoji as mine, but we can change that by clicking on either the color emoji or selfie, and by swiping either right or left. I prefer the emoji. Once you click on it, you'll have emojis pop up. So I'll choose something like this. Cool. And there we go, you're all done. So now you can export it by clicking on that little button right there, and you can share it across your social media networks. For now, I'm not going to use mine. I'll just leave it at that. Thanks, guys.